Hello and welcome to Elmwood Unboxing. This case we're unbagging. A lot of electronics come in bags. The Klef piano for the BBC microbit. It is essentially a small baby grand piano that you can plug your microbit in. Without further ado, very nice. So you can see that there's one octave of standard piano, and then up and down controller, a speaker right on the board, a USB charger, and a port for the microbit. And the back is labeling. Okay, so we're gonna you'll need a standard microbit for this. So we're gonna set it up and come back with the second part.